I have a noise on a Lexus pulley down there. I know we're all mechanics, and I know you got a light, you'll figure out a way to see it. But a better way to see things that are very limited visibility, like this little 1-inch wide area down here on this Lexus ES350. I use this light that my company makes. That's called the Goose-Grip 39-inch stick light, and it runs directly off the battery. I'm going to hook it up to the battery. It comes with a 6-foot cable, and there's the light. 3,600 lumens of light, and I want to be able to see what pulley's making noise. So I take the light and I put it down there, and now I can see everything very clearly. And what's no good is the lower idler pulley down there in the back. So, Goose-Grip 39-inch stick light, not a lot of money. Go to goosegrip.com. There's 3 other lights there that'll blow you away.